Funny thing, for car week you have to pay for this, and for the bike week it's free. Well, welcome back to the second day of Ocean City's bike week, or bike quest. Posted the first day video a few hours ago, and we already had breakfast and to chill a little. Now I'm going to go to Rise Up to get coffee, as well as going to Atletico Island for some photo opportunities, and it's gonna be another fun day here in Ocean City. It got super warm. It's not like too crazy warm, but it is warmer than yesterday for sure. Waiting on Reza and Fada to come down so we can hit the road and go for our next adventure. Alright guys, we came to Atletico Island. Did go to Rise Up to get coffee, but now we're here in Atletico Island. It's just absolutely beautiful, and lined up the bikes right here. They look absolutely amazing too. And I just realized I use absolutely a lot of time, but still it's like just 4:30 and the whole night is ahead of us, which is absolutely amazing. Just kidding. But yeah, I can't wait to see what tonight holds for us. First night was great. I'm pretty sure the second night is gonna be even better. We are here at Convention Center. Gonna go see all the bikes that are parked, and decided to do the moto vlog thing. Jafari and my brother here with us. How you doing, sir? You doing good?
I'm doing good.
You been enjoying it?
Yes, sir.
Let's go see the bikes. It's kind of weird to drive a Honda and come to see all the Harleys. Should we go in there? Is it free? Yeah, it is free. Okay, this is nice in here. Oh, look at all the bikes here. Oh, that's nice. Let's check out the bikes here. There's a lot of people. It's nice. The funny thing, for car week you have to pay for this, and for the bike week it's free. Oof. I want one of the Harleys so bad. Let's go check out the live wire. It's actually nice. $16,995. That's cheap.
It looks really nice, even though it's just like
this is a $30,000 bike right here. Wow, that's interesting. Only 10 miles too. Why is it so cheap? Because they're like $10,000 or $30,000. Nice.
What's up, uncomfortable?
Sportster S. I didn't get to ride the Sportster S on my little.
You didn't miss much. It's very uncomfortable.
Really? That's a nicer special that we wrote.
That was definitely better than the Sportster.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting. Oh, I like the color on this one. This is a nice color. And then we got this one. Oh, that color on this. The 1250 Hot Revolutionary. This is cool.
Repair shop.
Oh, they got their shop in here. Nice.
Yeah, they have a repair shop at Bike Fest.
Oh, there's more bikes down there. This is really nice. It's really amazing for Harley Davidsons. They can come here, do everything to their bikes, get them upgraded, all that stuff, because they do it just right here. That's amazing. You know what I want, honestly? That right there, a Goldwing, the 1200, and that one. That's exactly what I want, and I think I might do another impulse buy. Ooh, look at these guys. Oh, Honda Rune. Is it? Is it a Rune? I don't think so. Maybe. No, I don't think so. No, it's not. Never mind. Scratch that. I thought it was a Honda Rune, but it's not. I really like this old one right here. It looks amazing. So, ooh, an African Way. This is super cool too. That's the first one I'm seeing here. But this one, oh, and another Goldwing. This is just perfect. Wow. There's so many Goldwings. I kind of want a Goldwing. I think I'm gonna get a Goldwing. They're rolling out. to the office. All right, let's just go back to the bikes and go out. For some reason I said let's go back to the office, but no office here. Let's go back to the cars. Or bikes, not cars. Wow. We came to our normal spot, the Johnny's Pizza to get more pizza, which is right there. And our food is growing a little bit. Funny thing, I just got a comment from Life of Birch, which is pretty amazing. So if you're seeing this again, thank you. Might go for more ride though. Also, I'm so sad that we're leaving tomorrow. I wish we didn't. It is what it is. Well, here we are on the last day of Ocean City Bike Week. I almost said cruising week, but it's Bike Week. And we came back to Countryside Cafe to get some breakfast in our buddies, go back to the Airbnb, pack up, and hit the road again. It's been surreal. I've been enjoying this, and can't wait to be back next year. We got the food. That came really quick.
That's what she said.
Alright, checked out, all packed up, and all ready to go. Looks pretty good. Good looking bikes, good looking bikes. Just got to here, downtown Annapolis, right? Downtown Annapolis. Let's go get coffee and then get back on the road. We got, I think, another hour and a half ride to get back home. It's gonna be painful, but it is what it is. Again, the Mustang seat's supposed to be comfortable, but it is not comfortable at all. Need another solution. Just killed the coffee in like 2 minutes. Second rise up in 2 days. One rise up a day keeps the doctor away? Is that a thing? One rise up a day keeps the doctor away?
What kind of rise up? Where are you rising up?
The coffee. Oh, not talking about your morning things. Also, these bikes look so good together. Got so many dead bugs on them. Especially Friday, because it's a black color and you can see it. Oh, you can see me in there. What's up, guys? But in all honesty, really can't wait to get home, take a shower. Also, today and tomorrow, spoiler alert, I'm moving. So.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we just made it back home. It rained and we got super wet. I am soaked, so I'm gonna go inside, take a warm shower, and probably take a Tylenol so I don't get sick. Fingers crossed, hopefully. It's me and my brother Reza. He's coming. He's super soaked and he's tired. Did you like the trip?
I love that.
Would you go again with the bike?
100%.
That's the true answer and correct answer. We're gonna go back hopefully next year, fingers crossed. And I might actually consider getting a golden bike then or sooner. More on that later. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video too. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, also subscribe if you haven't already. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. And if you were in Bike Week, let me know in the comment section down below what was your favorite part of the Bike Week. And with that out of the way, as always stay amazing. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Okay, Farda, thank you for correcting me. Mr. Dictionary is right here. He's Farda D. Khalaqi. Farda Dictionary
Oh,
Khalaqi.
thank God. I
Anyway.
wonder D was standing for something else.
No, no, no dick, no dick.